Hey guys, how are you? I hope that you're okay. I hope that you enjoyed yesterday's video. It was very energetic and it was a little different. So you could enjoy different kinds of vibes on the videos and it's not always boring. Today we are going to continue. Give me a sec. No, yes. Okay. Yesterday we were doing your story. If I'm not incorrect, was it about the photos? Was it point and click? Yep, point and click. Today we are going to discuss the question page so you can start filling it. Yeah, sorry. That is in page 2. Where is it? Page 33 from point and click. So you can either print it or you can copy everything in the notebook. This is something that we have done before, so this is not something new. If you're gonna copy in the notebook, you should always write the questions in cursive with a pen and the answers in pencil with in print. Okay, so write your name on the page 33. Wait, page 33. And let's do it. Okay, so wait, sorry. Today is Tuesday. Thank you. Today is Tuesday, January the 12th, 2021, and the topic is still well, if you're using your notebook, you have to use the topic. If not, you don't have to. Okay, good. So write the words from the passage that have the meanings below. Make a copy of. You're gonna go to paragraph 1. Remember that I give you some of the questions and then you do the rest. Cameras might seem almost unbelievable. If you don't know how they work, point the camera at something, push a button, and you end up with a realistic image of what you saw. How does that happen? The camera's ability to reproduce what is not actually all that complicated. Once you understand a few basic elements, in fact, the camera itself is just a box that controls how much light reaches the film inside. The original Latin term camera obscura means dark chamber, and it's a perfect description. But the word that is asking is make a copy of. Make a copy of in paragraph number 1. If it was me, I would choose reproduce. Make a copy of. Okay? Then we have the second one. A piece of equipment used for a specific purpose. Paragraph number 2. Let's see. Paragraph number 2. Traditional film is a plastic strip that has been coated with light-sensitive chemicals, like the rods and cones in our eyes. These chemicals change according to how much light enters that camera. The image that enters through the camera lens creates a unique pattern in the chemicals that will be used when the photograph is developed in a lab. Instead of chemical film, a digital camera contains a light-sensitive electrical device that records the image. Let's go back to the word. A piece of equipment used for a specific purpose. From paragraph number 2, I would say camera. Or, I would say camera. And then number 3, 4, and 5 is number 3 and 4 is gonna be done by you. Next, how is a camera's aperture similar to the irises in human eye? So I don't know if you ever seen it in a cat, but cats or retinas are the pupil of our eye has something in the very middle that it's a black little dot. And when we go into if we had lighter eyes, if we had green eyes or blue eyes, we would see our retinas go bigger and smaller. I'm gonna show you I'm gonna leave you a video of that if I remember. Oh no, I can't, because this is only a question and answer stuff. But when you reach somewhere where there's light, it goes bigger or smaller, and it depends on the darkness too. But cats are more common to see that. The black part of our eyes becomes bigger or smaller, depends on the amount of light that we have. And in there it says how a camera's aperture similar to the iris of a human eye. Because this is the answer, so you better make something up of what am I gonna say. There's the camera and the iris of the eye are similar because both of them change their size according to the light amount that enters through them in the camera or on the eye. So the darker it will be or the lighter it will be, the size it will change. You can see it more in cats. Number 6. What is one example of a time you might want to use a slow shutter speed? Well, and these are all, remember, all camera things. And a slow shutter speed was used usually to look at the stars or to look at the rain, because it takes a slower shape. If you go and you take a normal photo of the rain, it's gonna look like a lot of lines. But a slow shutter make you look at the little droplets. So that could be your answer. How are digital cameras different from traditional cameras? Well, big differences. You can write in there. Traditional cameras used a tape, a roll that you would have to take to a lab and to take it into a chemical process to be able to look at the picture. But digital cameras, it's a square device that you just make the picture of and you can immediately see if you like the picture or not. So it's an immediate result with the digital camera, but not with the traditional. You would have to wait days and then go to the lab and wait more days. So you never knew if in your birthday you take a beautiful picture, but if you took it wrong, then the opportunity is going to be missed. But if you take a picture with a digital camera, you look at it, no, I don't like it. Another, until you like it. Number 9, what are the two main devices that control the light in a camera? Well, you should remember that the shutter changes and the chamber inside the camera, they change. So you can say in there, the two devices that control the light in the camera are the shutter that opens and closes and the chamber inside that reflects the light to take the photo of it. And number 10, what do you think is easier to use, an automatic camera than a manual camera? So you should choose, I just told you, what is easier to use, the digital or the traditional. And then check the phrase that best describes the author's purpose. So what is the purpose of this story? To persuade, to entertain, or to inform? That is going to be your choice. So this is going to be for today. Remember that this is going to be sent on Friday. The platform is going to be open on Friday or Thursday, depending on when we have the live class. Yeah, Friday. So be aware of that. I hope that you're okay. I hope that you're having fun. And until tomorrow, bye guys.